Hey y'all, it's Day or De La Soul, and today I'm here with some new content. I'm gonna be doing a unboxing, initial impression, like really initial impression, because I haven't even opened it yet. Tote and Carry, this is a minority owned designer handbag brand. The designer is Black. He's a celebrity stylist slash designer, and I've been eyeing these bags for a while. And I was in the middle of trying to decide which ones that I wanted or which one that I wanted. I think I was probably liking some pictures, and then boom, they was in my emails and was like, hey, we want to send you some bags. So I was like, ooh, that's a done deal. So I do have 3 bags today. I'm going to go through, open them for you guys. And yeah, let's get into this video. This is a minority owned brand. The designer for the brand is a Black male, and he's a celebrity stylist as well. And the leather is vegan leather. It's supposed to be just, you know, cruelty free and all that good stuff. We love to be cruelty free and love our animals. Y'all know I'm a dog mother, so yeah, I love me some animals. But anyway, what I really like about this brand, even before I even open this, is the fact that their stuff be in stock. Like, something is in stock. I hate when we have to play Hunger Games to go through and shop and buy stuff. Like, I did make a decision that I want to start buying from more Black owned clothing brands, specifically purses. I don't know why. Like, I used to be obsessed with purses in high school, and then when I got to college, I was like, just give me one bag. But now I'm really getting back into purses. And I've been buying purses, and I'm like, let me get into these Black designer purses, because that's where I want to put my money at. I just want to put my money in the Black community. So let's get into these purses. Yo, I got like 10 box cutters in this house, and don't keep none of them on decks, and I always have to do this little scissor thing to get everything open. Okay. Oh, one of these bags about to be big what I wanted. Alright, so y'all see it comes in these nice, cute carrying cases that say Tote and Carry, Los Angeles and Atlanta. And let's get into it. Get $50 off your next purchase. Use code whoop. Let me keep that code to myself. But when I did look on the website earlier today, they did have a sale going on. I do notice, as I've been like watching this brand for a while, they do keep a sale. They keep a sale going, so I would definitely check. Make sure you subscribe to their email listing and all that if you want to catch them while they're on sale. Oh, and I'm trying to get into the bag. I have it like nice and knotted, and I done already broke 3 of my nails. So this first bag is the caramel barrel bag. It looks a little orange from my monitor, but this is like a caramel, like an actual caramel colored brown. Like, it's kind of like a brownish, I don't know what you call it, sienna brown. But let's get all this stuff off of it. I'm not really sure what I can put in here, but it's real cute, and I love the little logo on it. I'm a big gold fan. Like, y'all will rarely see me in anything but gold. Like, my earrings gold. I actually wear earrings. I love all these little like label tags like that. I don't know what I can do with this, but this is really cute. And then this right here is cute. I'm gonna leave both of these on the bag because I feel like it just adds some real cute embellishment. Oh, nice. Okay, so this bag comes with the actual like strap, and I'm gonna try it on and show you guys, you know, how to wear it and whatnot. So this can double up as like a little handbag and like a crossbody bag at the same time. And just for size reference, y'all, people think I'm tall, but I'm not tall. I'm 5 feet. And I guess it'll come into play later when I pull out the bigger bag. But all right, what's in here? In this bag, there's just one zipper. It's a small pocket. You can fit like some pens, maybe some gloss or something in there. It's very, very spacious in here, even though it looks small. Like, they really, it's not like wasted space in there. This probably don't show y'all nothing, but it's not like wasted space in there. This is really cute. All right, now I'm on to the next bag. And when I was shopping, I was trying to get like a variety of stuff, just so I can see like all the different things they have. This is a heavy bag too, so like I know this is about to be some good quality. Oh my god, I love these handles. That's what sold me when I saw this. I was like, these handles are super cute. Oh my god, I didn't even notice that it had the like snake gator print on it. Can y'all see the detail? Can y'all see the detail? Oh my god, that is so cute. I didn't even realize that when I was looking online that it had that. I love the details on this bag. Love, 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 love. I love the handle. Or I ain't even got into the bag, but I love that with the handle. Oh, this made me feel like I got something expensive. Oh my god, look at this bag. Oh, okay, hold on, let me get focused. All right, so this is the Patricia pastel gray, but it's like a lavender gray. Like I said, it's more like a lavender gray, like a really, really soft, like pastel lavender gray is what I would call it. I love the embellishments on it. Again, this is a nice, like heavy weighted bag, so I know it's some good quality, not something that's gonna tear up easily, because that's really, I don't care if something's like vegan leather or real leather or not. I just want to know that it's not gonna tear up, because I'm one of those people who are heavy, not even heavy, rough with my stuff, like super rough. Y'all, this bag is too adorable. And it has a lot of compartments in it. Like, look at that. Oh, that's cute. Okay. See how that just, it goes up the ring like that. It did it real smooth the first time, but I guess I'm holding it funny now. But it goes up the ring like a flat. Does this side do it too? It sure does. So this has a lot of compartments to this bag, which I like because it is small, and I tend to not carry small bags because I feel like I can't fit everything I want to fit in there. So I appreciate the fact that this has a lot of different compartments and that they're separated, so I can kind of remember what's in what. Man, I'm so obsessed with these handles. I really am. And you know what? I wonder if they got a long strap in there so you can wear it as a crossbody. And do. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, look at that. It's the details. It's the details for me. That is a cute clasp. Ignore my nails. My nails are jacked up. But that is a cute clasp. Super, super cute. But the metal on these is like heavy duty metal, so I don't have to worry about that. Hopefully not breaking off, because that'd be my problem too. I told y'all I'm rough on stuff. My stuff breaks, and hopefully that's not the case. Oh my god. I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased. I'm already thinking in my head, I hope they have a wallet like this I can go back and grab, so I can replace my wallet with the black-owned wallet. Then I hope they have a, not even I hope, I know they got luggage. I need to go see their luggage because I've been wanting to replace my luggage as well. So, oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Hold on. Y'all, this bag is just too freaking cute. Like, oh, I feel so bougie. I'm so bougie and fancy with my black-owned bag. Okay, so to switch between the long and short straps on this one, they do have this where you can like pop it open. I did it too fast, but I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see. And pull this off. I'm not gonna pull it off just for the sake of the video, but then you take the clasp and just go like that, which is cute. So it hangs on there real nice and cute. So I got the straps adjusted. It actually looks real cute if you don't even take this off, because it looks like just an embellishment. And look at that. I love how these clasps sit. I love that. This one is not as short people friendly as the other one. Honestly, I probably will be wearing this as a handbag though. But I do want to show y'all again, I'm 5 feet. If you are taller, it'll probably be like right here up on you, nice and cute. But I'm short, so it's down here. But it is cute. I am excited about it. Just probably won't wear it as a crossbody, just because I'm a little person. Okay, so this last one is a tote and carry. But now, this last one is a tote. And I got this one specifically because I know I wanted to get a new work bag, because my current work bag is real tight. It's real tight. And when I was doing my research, I knew from looking at other reviews that Tote and Carry has a reputation for having thick, durable bags. Like, these bags are made to be worn. You don't have to be all dainty with them. Of course, you know, take good care of it, because it is, you know, a vegan leather bag. It's a leather bag. It's expensive. It's not cheap. Make sure you take good care of it. But I did know that these like can withstand time. People said that they really got good wear out of these. So I did want a tote just so I can fit like my work tablet, my iPad, my clutch, and other little snacks and whatnot into this and carry it to work. And this looks like it's definitely wider than my other bag. Maybe not as long, but I think that'll be just fine because I don't have nothing hanging out that bag anyway. I'm pretty sure my iPad fits in here perfectly. So let me get all the wrapping off and we'll get into this one. So I did know on this one it was gonna have that snake gator print. Did know that. Did not know it was gonna have this outside pocket though. I'm really excited about that, because especially when I'm fumbling around, I can like get out of my car. I work downtown, so So I'm always fumbling getting in and out the car. But I can get out my car, drop my keys in there, walk to the building and have my hands free, just in case, you know, I work downtown. Just in case I can have my hands free. And I normally walk in with some Starbucks too in the morning. I also didn't peep that the zipper tags actually have tote and carry on there. It's the little things for me. It's the little things for me. Front side, y'all saw. Again, this cute little thing right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna do something with it because I'm gonna keep it on there. Keeping that on there too because it's cute. Let's get into the inside of the bag. Ooh, it's very, very spacious. In fact, it's one of those bags where the bottom of it like fans out. See that? Perfect. This about to be perfect for work. All right, as far as the inside, zipper right here. To put like, you know, my pads and tampons and all that good stuff in that one. On this side, there are some pouches. Can drop my pins and other little knickknacks in there. And it does come with another crossbody strap. But me, I'm gonna be rocking it just like this. Going into the building. Going into the building. Shockingly, I do like this as a long one. So I probably will keep these inside of the bag so I can go back and forth, you know, on my convenience, because this is actually pretty comfortable. And again, these are like heavy bags, like this is a thick bag, but shockingly I do like it this way. It is a little longer, but it is what it is. I'm used to life like this as a short person, but it's not as bad as the other one. I would say it's more short friendly. At least y'all can see it in the frame. I feel like the other one was down there. I love this. I love this stuff. I'm really like impressed with all the like details. Like even on top of like having the print that's like gator snaked out, it's like dimension to it. I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to see that on camera. Yeah, 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10 for me. I will be going back and I will be buying. They sent me those, but I'm about to be buying some. I know I want to go see what kind of suitcases they got. I hope they got a wallet. See if I can get me one of those totes in a darker color for the winter. Yeah, I'm committed. I'm committed. I'm really excited. That was like a good, perfect, best experience for my journey into black-owned designer brands. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want me to do more unboxings, initial impressions, whatever you want me to do. Let me know if you want me to do that. That's something different than what I normally do on my channel, which is cool to me. I want to do more things on my channel. I need some variety because doing the same things, y'all know I'll duck off. I will duck off because I won't even be excited to post because I feel like I do the same thing. So yeah, meet me in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Bye.